Our 10 recruits are ready to continue their training after having mastered Zero's set of facts. Having taken a short break, they return to the cabin where one is eagerly awaiting their arrival. The smell of fresh baked goodies hangs in the air, filling them with anticipation for the upcoming lesson. Let's take a peek and see what our rather bouncy red number friend has planned for them.
Welcome back, kids. My good friend 4 has been hard at work helping me prepare for our lesson by making his famous chocolate chip cookies.
Sounds good to me.
They smell delicious.
I love cookies.
And 4 makes the best cookies.
Let's go back to our example of plates and cookies. We'll begin with 2 plates, each plate having 1 cookie on it. Can we use multiplication to find the total number of cookies?
You can, because you have the same number of cookies on each plate.
Yep, there's 1 little lone cookie on each plate. Let's write the secret code for this operation. What number is going to be the maker?
2 will, because there are 2 plates.
But what about the doer?
That would be you, because there's 1 cookie on each plate.
And 1 plus 1 equals
2. That was easy.
So, the secret identity of Agent X is 2, which just happens to be the same number as the maker in this operation. I need you to tuck this little bit of information away for future reference. Now, I'm going to set 1 more plate on the table and put 1 cookie on it. What number will be the maker in this operation?
3.
What's so funny, guys?
Well, sir, no disrespect intended against Sergeant 3, but we think he probably enjoys being the bossy number.
You got that right. But don't tell him I said so. Now, which number is going to be doing all the work?
You are. You'll have to add 1 3 times. 1 plus 1 plus 1.
Which is just
3.
Once again, the secret identity of Agent X is the same as the maker in this operation. Do you think we have a pattern forming here?
Yes, because no matter how many plates you add to the table, if you only add 1 cookie to each plate, the total number of cookies will always be the same as the number of plates.
Amazing observation. So, no matter what number serves as the maker in the operation, the total will always be the same number as the maker. Not only does this make my set of facts super easy, it's going to be your secret weapon later on, when Agent X hides his identity in what mathematicians like refer to as algebraic equations. Don't let these big words intimidate you. Zero and I will be right there to help you expose his identity with ease and speed. Let's change things up. I'm going to take away all the plates but 1. And on this plate, I'm going to put 7 cookies. Now who's the maker?
You are.
Yep, and who's the doer?
Agent 007.
Right. And this is the one and only time I get the Boss 7 around. But it doesn't really amount to much work on his part, since all he has to do is add his number 1 time, which is just
7.
So, even when I'm the maker, the total will still be the same number as my cofactor on the operation. Let's make a rule, just like we did for Zero's set of facts. Any ideas at what it might say?
How about this? Any number times 1 equals that number.
I love it! It's short and to the point. It's easy to remember and easy to understand. We'll go with that one. Now, let's get a bit of practice using it. I'll write the code on the board and you write the product on your whiteboard. Here we go. As usual, Sergeant 3 is going to drill you on these facts until you can answer them in your sleep. But you shouldn't have to work on an empty stomach. Let's see, 10 recruits, 1 chocolate chip cookie each, 10 times 1 equals...
10.
You know I never send them off with just 1 cookie. Dig in, kids.
Time for a little drill of your own. Don't forget to grab some cookies first. 3 has placed all his resources for his multiplication drills in a special folder named Drills, of course. Just print the drills for 1's facts and practice till you know them like you know your name. After you breeze through that drill, which no doubt you will, try out his drill for both 0 and 1's facts. Remember, your goal is to get those little gray cells and the pencil in your hand to work together in perfect harmony. Oh, and once you're finished, don't forget to add 1's facts to the page entitled All the Facts, found in the folder called Other Resources. Ready for some really good news? Out of the 100 basic facts you must master, once you've completed your drills with these, you only have 64 left to go. Almost halfway there. 2 wanted me to let you know that he's up next, and his facts will be almost as easy as 0's and 1's have been. Meet you back here at Camp Combinations for more training soon. For now, the numbers here signing off. See you soon.